What's going on, guys? How are you? This is Shocks, and this is ShocksCapital FX YouTube channel. I'm back today with a very beginner-friendly video. I'm here to show you how to trade on Deriv and how to open an account. So first of all, I'll teach you how to open an account, and after that, I'll teach you how to trade with the account that you have just opened. So the links to opening an account are in the description down below or in the comment section box. So guys, be sure to click those links if you don't have an account and register with Deriv, so you can be able to be trading currencies and indices, synthetic indices, all in the same place. So you just choose what you want to trade. If you are like me and you want to trade currencies, Deriv is your broker. If you want to trade synthetic indices like V75, you want to trade boom and crash 24/7 like boom 1000, crash 500, Deriv is your broker. So I'm here to show you how to open an account with Deriv broker. So if you are a currency trader, you can always find currencies to trade on Deriv. You can even trade Nasdaq on Deriv. You can trade stocks from Deriv broker. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to show you the page that you see after you click the links in the description down below. So if you click any of those links, you're going to see a page like this. Then you're going to create a free demo account. So what happens is you create a free demo account, then they will send you an email to your email address that you will put in this region, right? If you put that email, you are going to be to confirm your email address. Then after confirming your email address, you are going to fill in your details, your name, your surname, your addresses, and everything like that. Then you are going to upgrade to a real account after you put in all those details and you create your demo account. So after creating a demo account, you just click upgrade and you'll be having a real account. So guys, with this broker, you don't really have to worry about a lot of things like verifying your documents before trading and things like that. You can be trading without verification of your documents. You can verify after you reach 10,000 in withdrawals. So you can be transacting and trading with Deriv broker with just your details. So this is it, guys. You can even have a Bitcoin account with Deriv where you will be depositing and withdrawing with what, with Bitcoin and with any cryptocurrency of your choice. So guys, I'm going now to show you what to do with the account that you have just opened. So you go to this and let's say you have a synthetic account like me. You are going to be using that synthetic account with this three-step strategy that I'm going to show you. So the three-step strategy involves move number one, I call it the impulse. Then move number two, I call it the correction. Then the Wyckoff schematic at the entry zone. So what you're going to see is, number one, you have to see a move that I call an impulse that breaks structure like this. So this is the move that I'm talking about. So number one, you have to see a move that has a range, a low, this one, and a high. So this is a move with a range that you're talking about, and you're going to look at the beginning of the range and you're going to find your demand zone. And as you can see, we have found that in this area. So we are waiting for this price to reach this one, to reach this yellow zone and go up. So this is a strategy that involves an impulse that breaks structure, then move back to the order block. Then you find a schematic inside of this zone. So the schematic I'm going to show you at the end of the video, or close to the end of the video. So for now, I'm going to show you how to go about these schematics I'm talking about. So number one, I said you look forward for an aggressive move that breaks structure, something that looks like this. Then you have to look for a move back to the demand zone like this, and you get your sell at that particular zone. So this is what you're doing. And if you are looking at this area, you have your breakup structure right here. Then the move that caused that is around this area. So what are you waiting for? You are waiting for a move back to this zone, then you go up. This is a strategy that you can use with Deriv. Then we have this, and this is not clear. If something is not clear to you, you don't play there. You don't play there. You leave it. Then we go to V50. V50, this is what we have been explaining. Then we go to this. There's been a break of structure exactly right here with an impulse. And what are you looking for? You are looking for a move back to the demand zone, and that is your demand zone. So you are looking for a correction back here, you sell at that zone and you target the next low, which is something like this. So this is how you are trading, and this is a very simple three-step strategy. So guys, if you want to see this strategy being explained in detail, I mean in detail, just write do the video in the comment section. Just type do the video, just type do the video right now. Pause the video, type do the video if you want the full strategy of this, which you can use anywhere. But with this broker, I've proven it, I've tested it, and it's very good. So if you want to see the full strategy in our next video, just type full strategy or do it. Just encourage me. So you see, so we have this, then we have a break of structure here, right? Then a move back to this zone is what we are expecting. Then with this, we are expecting a move back to this zone. So this is the strategy. And guys, I know you have seen this somewhere and you can relate. So what I just want you to do is just type do the video and we'll roll out a 20-minute full strategy video of this thing. So a breakout structure by this impulse consolidation, we are waiting for the yellow zone, we are waiting for our golden zone to tell us what to do. So if you can see from this area, this is what we are doing. Breakout structure is right here, then this is the move that took it, then we are waiting for a buy to the upside. So this is what we are doing, guys, and this is how I'm expecting you to be moving around. So don't forget, click the link in the description down below. This is how you start trading synthetic indices. And if you have created your account, just type in the description in the comments that do the full strategy video. Then I'll roll out a 20-minute video on the strategy that you can use on Deriv, a three-step simple strategy that you can benefit from. So guys, I hope it's been wonderful. So don't forget to create your accounts and hit me up in the comments section. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. This is Shocks and I'm out.